So I know that you guys are all confused, like what's even happening on Earth? You want to know what's going on with the games that I'm working on. And so here's an update. First of all, Quantum Ruins is 100% going to be 3D. I'm not going back. The more I think about it, the more I look about it, I see it as a 3D game, and I see it work very well as a 3D game, very much inspired by the original Tomb Raider games. And I actually started working on the very first devlog, on like devlog number 0 for that sort of new series that we're gonna start on the channel. And this afternoon, I sort of had a realization, right? Because you guys, I worked for one full year on a 2D platformer game, right? And I have no voice. Oh my goodness, I have no voice. And this afternoon, I was thinking about it, right? And I was like, okay, I just want to play it just to sort of like remember like what the game like feels like. And I, as I played through it, I was like, I had this realization. I was like, wait, this game is actually it's not finished, but it's actually a game. Like I have a character that can move and it can jump, you swim, and you've got switches and you've got traps, you've got enemies, and I've drawn the tiles for like I have a lot of different tiles, and it's all the mechanics are there. Like I've built all of these tools, and I was like, wait a second, actually, I like I can make a game out of this. You know what I'm saying? And so it's like, wait, I don't ever want to switch Quantum Ruins to like 3D, but what if I take what I have and since it's already there, like I just have to make levels and and then release it as a game. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, wait, I wanted to add all of these features that aren't really necessary. So what if I just take what I have right now and sort of like remove all of those features that aren't really necessary? For example, crafting, which like it wasn't the alpha 2.0, but people was like, well, it's really not that great, and it's not even necessary like to finish the demo. And I was like, wait, okay, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of like all sort of things that like don't work or aren't like don't really add anything to the gameplay. And so at the end I was like, wait, so basically you move left and right, you look up, you look down, you jump, and then you use a button. And I was like, wait, if those are only the only inputs that I need, then I can possibly just put it on a phone and like and play it on my phone. And so I had to stop whatever work I was doing. Hopefully my boss is not watching this video. And I went on Godot and I was like, I'm going to turn this into a phone game like right now. And so I just put in the part that lets you play the game on the phone, and I exported it as an APK, and it's on my phone. And I was like, why am I so stupid? Why am I such a complicated person? Right? But then I was like, wait, this is not Quantum Ruins, but there are ruins in it. So I still want to, right? Like it's still about like exploring ruins. So since there's not a lot of quantum in this game, I removed that, right? So it's not Quantum Ruins, and so we've got ruins. But then I was like, ruins is not a game that you like, it's not a marketable game, right? Like you won't play a game that is called ruins. However, and here I had this like moment of realization. I'm like, wait, I wouldn't play ruins, but I would play ruins with a Y because it's like different, right? It's like cool. It's like, oh, have you played ruins? Oh, you mean ruins with a Y? Yes, ruins with a Y. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm very excited because basically now what I'd like to do is to create different levels, different stages for ruins with a Y and release it. As it stands now, the maps that I had made for the Alpha 2.0 are too big. So in terms of performance, it doesn't play like very well on my phone because there's just so much going on. So I'm gonna go for smaller maps and have like smaller but more of them, but I'm gonna take a similar approach and sense that like you have all of these maps and they're connected, and then you can explore them in like different ways. And I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of things, and I'm just going to keep the walking, the jump. You can upgrade to get the wall slide, so this is gonna be something that you can lock, and then the coins for all of you who want to collect everything in the game. And then the game ends with you just like leaving the ruins. You just need to make your way out of the ruins with a Y. And for those of you who wanted to get some news about Cookie Master is happening as well. I'm not giving up on it because honestly, the gameplay is there. I just really need to, find time to create more stages, and then I'll put it on the store. But overall, I'm very excited. This is something that I've decided this afternoon, but the more I think about it and the more I see it, because it's honestly there. Like, it took me no time to make Quantum Ruins work on my phone. Like, honestly, I just had to have this mind switch to make things happen. That being said, new devlog on its way, and as you guys have seen, I've decided to post whenever I feel like it, because whatever, like, freak it, right? Like, if I feel like posting, I'll post. If I don't feel like posting, I will not post. And on that note, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon on the first devlog for Quantum Ruins 3D. Bye, everybody.